There's a few roads I'm thinking about.
Have so much power, you can blow the tires off at any moment and do rolling burnouts and, you know, throw it around. The rear end loves to kick out. Okay, you guys ready? Buckled in?
Ready.
All right.
Go for it. You got this track down.
Ridiculous, right?
Man.
So,
136?
Yeah, pretty easy, just like that. So, you know, with launch control, I personally don't think it's like worth it.
Really?
Like, to me, I'm just like left foot on the brake, modulate it, and just go. You might find that you prefer something different. All right, ready?
Yep.
Still pretty strong. Just loves the
I
spin.
think you won't get the spin out of it.
Yeah.
You want to try one more time with the launch, just to see?
Yeah, well, we got some heat in the tires. So it does a lot more for you. You just stay in it. I didn't modulate at all. The first one, I was like moving my foot a lot. That one, I left foot brake, you apply full throttle and let go of the brake, and it kind of does it on its own.
What a blast. Wow. Hennessey knocked it out of the park. Start to finish, Hennessey was awesome. It was an easy experience. I definitely recommend Hennessey Performance.